Here's another product I use and love. If I don't love it, I don't recommend it. This set of 3 glass chef preserve containers is perfect for leftovers. It does come with 3 containers and 3 lids. The inside of each lid does have a rubber seal that helps with suction. And then it has a little release on the top to let the pressure go when you're ready to open the container and eat your food. Each lid also has a really cool feature where you can set the date so you know exactly when you preserved that specific food. So to use them, you simply take your chef preserve device, you place it on top, you press the button, and when you turn it on, it removes all the air from inside and it stops when it's done. They do come in a set of 3, small, medium, and large. And we highly recommend this system because it keeps everything so fresh. And in my book, it saves us money. Money savings these days is the name of the game. Get yours in the description below. If you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up.